baba ungibuka kanjani niyambona kwamanje ngibuka kanjani
nodaba lezinto noma ukuhlukumeza kwakho unakho ukuthi ukhulumeke kepha uphoqelekile ekuthizeni ukukhuluma yezwa.
Yeah, fine. Yeah, fine. You can sit down. I'm sorry about that. Okay, fine.
My Lord, Mr. Tuli says he heard what Mr. Tsebengu has informed the court about, however, that is not true. He says ever since his arrival there on the 9th, he once wrote a letter to Mr. Tsebengu, and Mr. Tsebengu, he never came to him, no, he never visited him.
Ngaze ngakhuluma nabe-Jigs laba be-Jigs abuyibona basikhulumela enjena ngaphakathi ngacela ukuthi bangibhalele incwadi ukuthi abayokhuluma nabo bakucebekile ukuthi ngoba ngilabana angifoniswa kuma nje futhi angazi ukuthi ngizele lapha ngesebenzi.
And he even took it further to engage with the people from Jigs. People from Jigs, those are the people that they usually assist them, not help them inside the prison. They pertaining to him having to write a letter.
Bambhalela lo ncwadi nge-12 manginabo ngelokhu ngeyi-10 manginabo ngeyi-10.
The accused person says he was with them on the 10th, and then they wrote that letter on the same date, on the 10th.
Akaze baphendula ngize ngaphinde futhi ngakhuluma
He
nabo
never replied, and he again spoke with.
ngize ngaphinde ngakhuluma nabo futhi ngeyi-14.
He again spoke with them again on the 14th.
Baphinde bangitshela ukuthi impendulo akaze bayithola akaze bayinele futhi baze baya basuka kimi lapha ebengihleli ofisini baye ofisini la babuye bazongitshela ukuthi impendulo akabi nayo.
They left him at their office. By doing so, they then went to his office, to Mr. Tabani's office, and then they came back. After they came back, they then informed me that he said that he does not have an answer.
Ngey 13
On the 13th,
kuyi-Sunday
it was on a Sunday.
ufike ubaba uNkosi wangitshela ukuthi ubabulele mina ngingafoniswa ngitshela until kuze kufike i-Bimex kuze kufike abase-Bimex lapha ebengihlala khona.
Mr. Nkosi informed the accused person that Mr. Letta has informed the accused person that he should not be in a communication up until the people from the BMX come. And then he was informed of that while he was inside his cell.
Emva kwalapho ukuhamba ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi kusaphele 20 minutes 30 minutes kufika ubabulethe uzongiphuca ingubo namashini.
Then after that, within 20 to 30 minutes, Mr. Letta, he came to take the blankets and the sheets from the accused person.
Emva kwalapho ngiqala ukuhlala nje ngoba phela manje angisazi ukuthi ngizokhuluma nobani. Kuthenge
After that, he then sat there, and then he did not know as to who he must consult.
ngazama ukucela laba abafana bangoklina sabaklina ngaphakathi esectionini lehlala khona ukuthi bangitholele futhi amanye amashini.
He said he tried to speak with the cleaners, the ones that usually cleans around the cells, to help him with the bed sheets.
Bangitholela i2 uthenge 19 waphinde futhi babulethe waphinde wazokalanda futhi wathatha.
They managed to help him with 2 sheets. Unfortunately, on the 19th, Mr. Letta, he came to take those 2 sheets.
ngoba-ke kuze kube namhlanje kuzophinde kuba izolo uma kuphinda ngizoya la ecourt ngicela ukufona njengoba bonke abantu ababuya abahambi aba-attend icourt uma bebuya ecourt bayafoniswa kodwa kubuya impendulo yephoyisa ebelengenzela ukuthi abaphathi bathi niyazi ukuthi mina kufona.
Yesterday, after the court adjournment time, he went back to prison. As soon as he arrived at the prison, he asked to make a phone call. Then he was then informed that he was not in a position or not allowed to make a phone call. And usually when the inmates that are back from the court, they are allowed to make phone calls to whoever that they want to get contact to.
Sengushiya futhi okunye izolo ubaba noMasongane weJix uyile futhi ubabuleka ayocala impendulo lezi ncwadi besilokhu sibhala ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi bakufonise ukuthi ngisuke lapha ngoba ngazi ukuthi ngizele yakhona bamnikeza futhi.
And yesterday, Mr. Masongane, he went to Mr. Letta, and Masongane is from the Jix, and then he went to inquire about the letter in which he once wrote to Mr. Letta. Unfortunately, he did not receive any answer pertaining to that. And the accused person further said that he does not know the reason as to why he was then transferred to Simex.
Kuba kuqhubeke nje ngoba la namhlanje lokho ngafika ngiyaqala ukumbona nje angazi ngiyaqala ukumbona ngoba ngisejele kufanele ngabe ngoba ngisejele yena uyasimonita njengabantu basejele kodwa ngiqala ukumbona namhlanje ngisiyekho.
And again, the accused person says that it is his first time seeing Mr. Court. He never saw him at prison, and Mr. Devengu never consulted with him there at the prison. It is his first time seeing him right here in court, as in today. And furthermore, pertaining to the letter that the accused person once wrote to him on the 10th, he never got nor received any replyment nor any acknowledgement pertaining to that letter.
Bese siza kule yokuthi athuba kucebengu ngitholakale nefoni eBenex ayikho.
Then, my Lord, again with the issue of the accused person, with the issue that they have said that they found the accused person with a cell phone at the Benex, that is not true.
Lapha kushuthi uma ngabe kufika kuzeshezi kufike kwavulwa lokhu amaphoyisa afika avula umnyango acela ukuthi siphume phandle ngaphuma phandle njengokusho kwawo sonke njengabantu besesection saphuma phandle.
When the police came at the prison to conduct a search, they opened the security padlock gate or door, and they then asked the accused person to go outside, and indeed he stepped outside just like any other prisoners.
Isikhathi ngicabanga ukuthi kwakungabo 10 ngoba beqeda kucisha amalathi wangakapheli 5 minutes 10 minutes beqeda kucisha amalathi bangena sometime later.
Then the accused person says that he thinks it was just after 10, 5 minutes after 10 or so, because of it was not long after the lights they were getting switched off. Soon after the lights were switched off, maybe after 5 minutes or so, they then came in.
Uma ngabe shuthi kuba uyiphoyisa leli lithi asibambe ubonda lingibambisa ubonda isession amanye amaphoyisa sesha abanye lapha esasina.
Then the accused person was instructed to place his hands against the wall, even with other inmates they were instructed to do so. By doing so, then the police they then started to search around there.
Iphoyisa leli lalingisesha maqedwe kungisesha lithi ayasingene ngaphakathi isession ngapha labuzise ilani ngalikhomba ukuthi asingene isession ngaphakathi eseli.
The police officer who was searching the accused person, he asked from him of his cell. He then pointed out the cell to the police officer. After he had pointed out his cell to the police officer, then the police officer then asked him to get inside the cell with him.
Lasesha malisesha kanjalo ngaphakathi kuqhamuka umuntu baba ukuthi angimazi labo baba befaka into ezinyama ngobazi ukuthi ngabantu.
Then the police officer walked inside the accused person's cell. As he was there, he continued in searching inside that cell, and then one other police officer, he appeared, and then he was wearing black clothes, and he doesn't know the name of that police officer.
wabuza ukuthi i-TV le ayifice selini nginayo i-permit yokuba nayo.
He then asked, pertaining to the TV that he discovered in his cell, whether the accused person has a permit to have a TV in his cell.
Ngamtshela ukuthi hayi i-TV akuyona yami ye-section, shooting ngoba ine-section nje ihamba ingena amaseli wonke.
I then informed him that the TV does not belong to me, however it belongs to the section and it goes from one cell to another cell.
Wayesethi impendulo angitshela yona ukuthi ngoba anginayo incwadi njengamanje yale TV, ucela ukuyithatha uzokwehla umuntu onencwadi ye-TV azoyilanda ema-ofisini phansi.
He then informed the accused person that now that the accused person was not in a position of a permit for that TV, he then informed him that he will take the TV with him, and then the person who has a permit for that TV will then go downstairs to fetch it with a permit.
Ngamkhiphela ngamnikeza waphuma lapha.
He then took out the TV from the plug, he then gave it to that police officer. After doing so, the police officer then left.
Lo obengisesha usaqhubeka uyasesha ngaphakathi la.
And the one who was conducting search, he was still busy conducting the search inside the cell.
Mayephuma lo ne-TV kuqhamuka uphoyisa lo muntu osimame futhi nalo elifaka izinto ezimnyama. Maphuma lona ne-TV uma kuqhamuka iphoyisa lesimame lime emnyango nje lithi licela ithikithi kimi nginikeza ithikithi ngikhomba nje athi analo ithikithi phela.
Then as the police officer, as he was exiting the cell holding the TV, another female police officer appeared. He then asked for a permit. What's a permit?
Wacela ithikithi le-jail.
Or he then asked for a jail ticket from the accused person.
Mina ke umqondo nami ngaba nokuthi mhlambe bafuna ukuyobhala ukuthi i-TV le baphuma nayo eselini lami ngoba baphuma ne-TV sebefuna ithikithi.
The accused person was under the impression that perhaps they want to go and write the TV that was coming from his cell, now that they asked him for his prison ticket.
Emva kwalokho ke kuhambe lo mama nalo baba lophuma ne-TV aqhubeke aseshe loqhubela phakathi besaseshe bengakaqedi.
Then the police officer who asked for a prison ticket together with the one who went out to the TV, they then went away. And then the first police officer who came in to conduct a search at his cell, he was still busy there searching.
Futhi ke na session aqede mase eqeda ukusesha haya avalelisa athi ngisale ngiqoqwa ngaphakathi ngisala ngaqoqwa avala umnyango waphuma.
He proceeded in searching up until he was done. After he was done, he then said to him he was done searching, and then he released it. After saying so, he then locked it. Then the accused person remained behind. After he remained behind, he then placed his things according to the way that they were packed before.
Ehambeni kwakhe ayikho into ayithola kimi ayikho futhi into ayithola eselini la.
And that police officer was conducting a search in his cell. He never found anything in his possession, nor inside the cell in which the accused person was kept at.
Ngoba bekhona nje bonke amaphoyisa ngoba kusesho nje lapho khona ukapteni wesection umuntu engangazi umshini babumshini.
Then
abanye angabazi.
The accused person says that as the police, the prison warders were conducting a search there was the captain there, the captain of the cell, Mr. Mshini.
Yeah, wasemshini section mshini.
Mshini.
Yeah, but mshini ngazi ukuthi mshini.
And then that person is referred to Mshini, and then he only knew him, he does not know others.
Emva kwalokho ke mabehamba kanjalo hayi kuvalwe nami ngilale ekseni.
After that, they then closed. After they closed, they then left, and then he remained at his cell. After he had remained in his cell, he then fell asleep. Then during the 8 hours of the morning,
ekseni kufike kuvula amaphoyisa. Mayevula amaphoyisa hamba nawo babumshini. Uthi babumshini pheka zonke impahla zakho.
Then during the morning hours, Mr. Mshini, together with other police officers, they came at his cell. They then opened his cell. After they were done opening there, they then informed him that he should pack all his belongings and leave.
Mangibuza ukuthi ngiphekhe impahla zami ngiyaphi. athi hayi kutholakale i-cellphone la izolo.
He then asked them, why must he pack all his belongings and leave? They then informed him that yesterday they have found a cell phone at his cell.
Umbuzo wami ke ngubuyisela kuBaba uMshini ngithi awu Baba uMshini mawuthi kutholakala ifoni la izolo. Itholakale kuphi ngoba wena ubula izolo. Akaze ungitshele nge-cellphone.
He then asked from Mr. Mshini, now that Mr. Mshini informed him that a cell phone was discovered in his cell, and then now that Mr. Mshini, yes, the previous night during the time in which they were conducting a search, he was present, why did he not inform Mr. Ntuli about the cell phone?
Futhi nalabo buhamba nabo ebebesesha akekho umuntu oke wathi kimi uthola i-cellphone.
And also other police members or prison members whom they were with Mr. Ntuli, they never informed him that they have discovered a cell phone in his cell.
Impendulo yakhe wathi odiphumile u-area commissioner uthi angihambe nge-Simex namhlanje.
He was then informed that an order was being issued from the area commissioner that he has to be transferred to Simex.
Kwaba uhamba kwami kanjalo ke nge-Simex okunye ayangikwazi impela.
That is how he was then transferred from there to Simex, and then he doesn't know as to how it happened.
Ngoba iqiniso lokuthi kwatholakala ifoni lapha alikho. Mina into eyenza ukuthi ngikhala ukuthi ijele liyangiplanta. Umuntu otholakala nefoni utholakala nefoni eSimex. Bona base-Simex bathi bakhipha lowo muntu eSimex bamlethe eBmax. Sebemswapha ngami bathatha mina bangifaka eSimex.
Mana ngifuthu.
Ifoni ayikho ifoni etholakala eBmax. Lokho kungamanga iphutha lelo.
There is no cell phone that was discovered in Bmax.
Abase-Simex bakhava izinto zabo ngami.
The people from the Simex, they are covering up for themselves by sacrificing with me.
Umuntu otholakala nefoni utholakala eSimex, uDavid Ramahane.
The person who was found with a cell phone in Simex, it was David Ramahale, and then he was then removed from Simex.
Bamkhipha bona eSimex bamse eBmax la kuhlala khona thina.
They took him from Simex and then they brought him to Bmax where I was placed at.
Ngokuthi uDavid bamkhipha isikhathi sakhe sokuthi aphume eSimex singakafiki sebemreplace ngami lapha eSimex. Hayi ukuthi ngitholakala nefoni.
Now that they took away David from Simex to Bmax, they took him before his time came, and then they replaced him by sacrificing with me.
iBmax ayikho ifoni etholakala khona. iBmax isection A1. Akukho ngisho insango lebhenya abantu labababhemayo ayikho iBmax. Ngoba isanda kuvulwa manje iBmax.
Bmax, it was just newly opened not so long ago, and then they have never found not even a single packet of dagga, and it is a single section.
Yilokho nje ke ngikwaziyo engithinta ngoba kunamhlanje kuze kuba kulesi simo ngekusona.
And then that is all that I choose. He has knowledge of about. That is what he knows of.
That is it. But you were transferred what on the 9th?
Yeah, bangithathe nge-9 ekuseni.
Yes, my lord.
Since the 9th you're where at?
My lord.
Since the 9th, where is he being quartered?
Ukusuka nge-9 bangibeke eSimex.
From the 9th, he was placed to the Simex till today.
Do you have problems at Simex?
Yes, my lord, I do have quite a lot of challenges, no problems.
What are they?
Yes,
Ngiyahlukumezeka laphana ukosenkantolo ngoba ngisho ukuthi ngafike ngathathelwa ingubo nginqatshela ukufona.
He's being tortured. They know that he mentioned that he is denied to make a cell phone or a telephone call, and then they took his blankets.
Ngigeziswa ngamanzi abandayo.
And then they make him to bath with cold water.
Okay.
You
You must make a choice. I'm going to make an order. If you say you want to be in Cape Town, I'll make that order. Where do you want to be housed?
Inkosi enkantolo kuyabuza ukuthi ngabe mhlawumbe ufuna ukuthi bagcine kuphike nendawo ngoba ke ithi mangabe ufisa ukuthi bagcine la le eKapa ke angayenza ke incwadi le ukuthi bagcine khona le eKapa manje kahle kahle ufuna ukuthi bagcine kuphike nendawo.
Hayi mina bengicela ukuthi inkosi enkantolo ingibuyisele ejele engangisuka kulo vele loGobo ngoba ngangivele ngisuke loGobo.
My Lord, Mr. Ntuli, he says that he would like the court to make an order that he must be taken back to Logop because of initially he was coming from Logop prison.
Which section?
Like ngaphansi section iphike lapha.
Ama section ehlukene lapha loGobo kune A kune B kune C bengangibeka noma yephi kodwa nje maximum yakhona.
Ufuna bakubeke maximum eseLogop?
Yeah, ngoba vele ngibelonga kuyona maximum.
He says he would like to be transferred back to Logop maximum.
You know what? For this case, just to proceed, I don't have the authority to make the order I'm making. But for this case to proceed in terms of the Constitution, if it is impossible for accused number 5, to be able to have peace of mind and be able to attend trial and defend himself and give instructions to his advocate or her advocate, I'm making the order that he must be housed at Logop maximum B, you say. Is that it?
In maximum, my Lord.
You call it Logop maximum.
Yes, my Lord.
Can it be done today?
Maybe tomorrow, my Lord. Because
No, why tomorrow?
Because now
Paperwork.
paperwork and the transport.
Oh, I see. I can borrow you my car. I'm joking. Yes, Ms. Mchololo, what's your view?
Yes, my Lord, I'm indebted to the court's indulgence, my Lord. My Lord, that will assist the accused to concentrate during the proceedings, and the proceedings will not be disturbed by such a court order, my Lord. Regarding the implementation of the transport, my Lord, I think that one can be arranged because all we are trying to save is court hours, my Lord. If we can adjourn now, then the correctional will be given the afternoon to make the transfer. Then tomorrow morning we can be able to resume with the court proceedings as normal, my Lord. We've already lost almost a day, my Lord. That's my submission.
My Lord, I think Mr. Ntuli has raised up his hand.
Who's that? Yebos.
La inkosi enkantolo ngicela nje ungangeneleli kakhulu ubaba uqebe ngimayekhala ngetransport itransport hayi ukuthi ayikho yiyo leni engiletha la imoto yaseLogop ngithathwa yiye Simex engilethela hayi ukuthi transport ayikho namanje nje ngihamba nabo abaseLogop.
Oh, is that so? Is that so, Mr.
I don't know about the
transportation. He says he's using the same transportation as
much as I say.
Number 4.
Yeah, as much as I say, I don't know the transport
Yeah,
arrangements.
fine. I hear you.
Yes.
So you prefer the order to be actuated by tomorrow?
That's my humble request.
So tonight he goes to
Simex.
And then tomorrow, as from tomorrow, he starts from here. And when he goes out, he goes to Logop.
Yes, my Lord, that's my plea.
So that you can do the transfer properly.
Correct, my Lord.
Where's
My Lord, once more, Mr. Ntuli has raised up his hand.
Ngiyacela ke uma ukuthi inkosi enkantolo ithi angiyolala lapha ibatshele ke bangangishisa wabayongishisa namhlanje mangabe ngiyolala namhlanje bazongithuthara ngalento yabo ogesi bazongishisa mangabe ngiyolala lapha ngoba inkosi enkantolo isikhulume kanjena.
My Lord, the accused person is asking the court, it is his humble request that he must not be taken back to Kgoshimampuru tonight, because of if he is taken back to Kgoshimampuru, they are going to torture him with that light tonight.
what time do you know?
I'm looking at 4, my Lord.
And who is in charge after 4 o'clock?
After 4, I think it's going to Miss Musalo
And then she's in charge until the following morning.
until 6 o'clock, and somebody else is in charge until.
Who are those? The lady after she knocks off is who?
It's Mr. I think it's going to be Mr. Manyala.
Manyala.
Yes, but they are locked up that time.
Yeah, I hear you.
They are already in the cells.
If there are problems there, where do you report?
They report to the member in charge, the one that is in charge.
Okay. Can you convey the message that Mr. Tuli says there's a possibility that there will be repercussions because now he's been released from...
My lord, I can say there's nothing that will happen to him.
Nothing.
Nothing will happen to him.
Okay. Yeah, okay, let's do that. The superintendent, what's his name? Khoza, is it? Who's in charge at Maximum? Or,
In maximum Newcop,
yeah, not
Zon-
local.
Khoshimampur, boss,
Khoshimampur.
is Deputy Commissioner Khoza.
Khoza, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, so what must happen is Advocate Baloyi, together with you and Ms. Mshololo, must write a letter to both prisons advising them about this new arrangement to say, I have said, although I don't have the authority to do what I'm doing, to tell them to do their job this way or that way, but because this problem is disrupting the sessions of this court, he must be housed at Locop. Okay? Mr. Baloyi, can we write the letters to both heads of the prisons?
Yes, as a copy, I suppose there'll be an order from the...
Yeah, that's it. I will sign
We
it.
can just attach the order,
Yeah,
bring
Okay.
it to the attention of the those prison authorities. Yes.
okay. Is that okay, sir?
Ngiyabonga.
Kukahle lokho mnumzane.
Hayi ngiyabonga.
Uzwile konke.
Hayi kuyezwakala.
It is in order with him, my lord.
Ngiyambona ubaba ungibuka kanjani? Ngiyambona kwamanje ungibuka kanjani?
Are we sitting this afternoon? The other matter, the other witness?
Well, the witnesses are here. Both witnesses are here, my lord.
Yeah, let's start with them so that
Yes.
we don't waste the whole of the day. So you'll be, hello? What's your rank, Colonel? Okay, yes. Are you available up to the end of the session? Or you want to be released? If you want to be released, no problem. And then the letters, who will take them? Who is taking them to the various jails, Leopold and Maximum, is that so? The letters must go either way.
Yes, the officials of Newcop possibly will take the letter to the head of Newcop, and then the party is around, maybe we can be given the letter for...
Yeah, Ramokopa, we request that favor, okay? You are excused if you have to go.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right, yeah. But you, where's the gentleman? If you still want to go to court on an urgent basis, nobody is stopping you. If you want to go on trial, agency, seek an order of whatever kind, nobody is stopping you. But what this court is going to stop you from doing is to sit in the space of this court when you're doing your other case. Are you with me? If Ms. Simpson is going to represent you, she can't say she wants you to come and consult her at 12 o'clock when this court is sitting. This court will have preference over anything you want to do in trying to utilize time if you want to go to court. So you mustn't go and tell people that I debarred you from going to court. Okay? I'm Khazel.
Ithi inkosi enkantolo ke mnumzane mangabe ufisa ke ukuthi uhambe enkantolo uye malapha ecelezi nodaba lokuqala lakho kodwa kade ukhuluma ngalo ke uvumelekile ukuthi lokho ke ukwenzeke kepha ke ukhumbule khona njalo ukuthi lapho ke ungathathi isikhathi senkantolo lesikhona njengamanje ke ngoba inkantolo esikhona njengamanje iyona ke ezaqala ke kulo lonke kudaba olukhona ke yezwa mnumzane. Understood my lord.
Okay, fine.